Alright, so there's been questions on whether or not this facelift steering wheel will work without any wiring or coating and so forth like that into a pre-facelift A3 or S3. So my initial car, I have a 16 A3 with sport package, so I actually had pedals, and then I converted it to this. The only thing that you really have to be cognizant of is whether or not this button is here. So this button is going to be for the analog cluster with the digital MFD. If it says view, that's going to be for Audi's virtual cockpit, and it might make these buttons a little wonky. So look for this button here, make sure it has it. Unless you are, of course, they're going to be doing the conversion to virtual cockpit, then get the view button. All these buttons work except for the back button and except for the phone button, because guess what? These didn't have it to begin with. So the menu button works. You can go up and down, whatever you want. These left and right buttons let you go through different menus, and that's all perfect. The navigation button will work, I guess, if you have navigation. I was able to code this star button or asterisk button to make it into my drive select, so that works. The best part is actually having this feature to actually go forward and back into music tracks, as opposed to having to use this, which is rather annoying. The mute button works, everything else works. So basically all I have to do is uninstall the old wheel, plug everything in, and it should work fine. From my understanding is people that didn't have the sport package, so there's no paddles, if they put a sport wheel in, it just did it automatically without any coding. So this should really be a very simple and easy upgrade that should take you probably 20-30 minutes to do. So hopefully this helps you guys out.